The 2023 BMW i7, a luxury electric sedan shaping the future of mobility. This remarkable automobile combines the elegance and prestige of the BMW 7 Series with the sustainability and efficiency of electric power. Competing with other luxury electric sedans like the Tesla Model S, Porsche Taycan, and Mercedes EQS, the i7 is raising the bar for electric vehicles. In this video, we'll delve into everything from its captivating design and innovative technology to its stunning performance, eco-friendly features, customization options, and more. The 2023 BMW i7 is an all-electric luxury sedan that promises an exceptional driving experience while contributing to a sustainable future. With its powerful electric motors and impressive range, the i7 is set to make a statement in the electric vehicle market. If you're an enthusiast of cutting-edge automotive technology or are considering an eco-friendly luxury sedan, this video is a must-watch. We'll dive deep into all the details that make the BMW i7 a groundbreaking addition to the world of electric luxury sedans. Starting with the design, the BMW i7 is a perfect blend of elegance and modernity, featuring classic BMW design elements paired with innovative electric vehicle technology. The iconic kidney grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines create a striking presence on the road. In addition, the i7's side profile showcases the luxury sedan's sweeping lines, accentuating its length and sophistication. At the rear, the slim LED taillights, integrated spoiler, and clean design complement the car's electric identity. Inside the i7, you'll find a luxurious, technology-driven cabin combining comfort and functionality, premium materials, comfortable seats, and a spacious layout ensuring a relaxing environment for the driver and passengers. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system provides seamless access to critical information and controls, while the minimalist design keeps distractions to a minimum. One of the standout features of the i7's interior is the advanced technology seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. In addition, the car's electric powertrain and battery system are expertly incorporated into the design, ensuring no compromise in aesthetics or driving experience. The BMW i7's performance is nothing short of remarkable. Powered by dual electric motors, the i7 boasts an impressive output, rivaling its gasoline-powered counterparts in acceleration and driving dynamics. The instant torque and smooth power delivery create an exhilarating driving experience that will leave you breathless. But the i7 doesn't just excel in performance, its range is equally impressive. With a large battery capacity, the i7 can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, making it a practical choice for long-distance drives. The i7 is equipped with cutting-edge driving technology, such as adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced regenerative braking, providing a smooth and controlled ride. Furthermore, the i7's carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction reduces weight and enhances driving dynamics, ensuring a thrilling experience behind the wheel. Regarding safety, the BMW i7 features a range of advanced systems, including collision warning, lane departure warning, and traffic jam assist. These technologies work together to provide optimal control and confidence while driving. Moreover, the i7's robust construction further enhances the car's safety and performance. The i7 also boasts state-of-the-art driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and help you stay aware of your surroundings on the road. For those wanting to personalize their i7, BMW offers various customization options, including exterior colors, interior materials, and wheel designs. These choices allow you to create a unique, eye-catching vehicle that reflects your style. As a luxury electric sedan, the 2023 BMW i7 has a significant price tag. The base price for the car is expected to be in line with other luxury electric sedans, like the Tesla Model S and Porsche Taycan. However, the cost of the i7 can increase significantly if you add optional extras or customization features. Despite its high price, the BMW i7 is a car that is worth every penny. It offers a performance design and eco-friendly technology unmatched by any other electric luxury sedan. The electric luxury sedan market is competitive, and the BMW i7 faces stiff competition. One of its main rivals is the Tesla Model S, known for its impressive performance, range, and cutting-edge technology. The Porsche Taycan is also a popular choice among electric luxury car enthusiasts, thanks to its remarkable handling and unmistakable Porsche styling. Other competitors in the market include the Mercedes EQS, the Audi e-tron GT, and the Lucid Air. Each car brings unique features and strengths, making choosing between them difficult. One of the most notable aspects of the BMW i7 is its outstanding performance and handling. The car's advanced suspension system, rear-wheel steering, and lightweight construction ensure a smooth and comfortable ride while providing agile handling in various driving conditions. In addition, the i7's advanced regenerative braking system also contributes to its impressive driving dynamics, maximizing energy recovery and improving the car's overall efficiency. Furthermore, the i7's range and charging capabilities make it a practical choice for long-distance drives and daily commutes. The i7 can be charged quickly and conveniently with fast charging options, ensuring you always have the power you need for your journeys. The BMW i7 is designed to keep you connected and entertained with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. The system includes a high-resolution touchscreen display that is intuitive and easy to use, providing access to various functions such as navigation, audio controls, and vehicle settings. The i7's infotainment system is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect to your smartphone seamlessly and access your favorite apps, music, and more. The car also features a premium audio system that delivers crystal clear sound, enhancing your driving experience. As a BMW i7 owner, you become part of an exclusive community of electric vehicle enthusiasts who appreciate cutting-edge technology, performance, and design. BMW offers a range of owner benefits and events, such as exclusive driving experiences, VIP access to prestigious automotive events, and a global network of BMW service centers. Also worth mentioning are the additional connectivity and convenience features that come standard in this luxury electric sedan. The i7 features BMW's intelligent personal assistant, which allows you to control various vehicle functions and access information through voice commands. With over-the-air software updates, your i7 will always have the latest features and enhancements, ensuring your driving experience remains cutting-edge and enjoyable. Safety is a top priority for BMW, and the i7 is no exception. It has various advanced driver assistance systems, including collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to provide a safer and more enjoyable driving experience, giving you added confidence on the road. The BMW i7 also offers impressive charging capabilities, with support for DC fast charging that allows you to recharge the battery up to 80% in just under 30 minutes. This means you can get back on the road quickly after a pit stop at a charging station, minimizing the impact of charging times on your travel plans. BMW has also partnered with various charging networks, giving i7 owners access to a nationwide network of charging stations. Moreover, BMW's commitment to sustainability goes beyond the i7 itself. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce its carbon footprint across its entire value chain, from manufacturing processes to the materials used to produce its vehicles. By investing in the development of electric vehicle technology and pursuing innovative solutions for manufacturing and supply chains, BMW is working towards a greener and more sustainable future in the automotive industry. In conclusion, the 2023 BMW i7 stands out as a groundbreaking electric luxury sedan. It combines the prestige and elegance of the BMW 7 Series with the sustainability and efficiency of electric power, making it a truly unique and compelling offering. From its captivating design and technology-driven interior to its advanced electric powertrain and cutting-edge technology, the i7 is a car that is sure to impress. And with its commitment to eco-friendly performance, it represents a significant step forward in the world of electric luxury vehicles. While the price of the i7 may be steep, it's a car that is worth every penny. It's a testament to BMW's engineering prowess and commitment to sustainability, and will make a lasting impression wherever it goes. So, if you're in the market for an electric luxury sedan, the 2023 BMW i7 is a car that you should consider. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've enjoyed this in-depth look at the incredible 2023 BMW i7.